kitchen spritzer tips for you. First of all, you'll notice mine is not full. I'm using just canola oil in my spritzer. There is a fill line though, so make sure you don't fill it any past that, okay? 3 basic parts. You have the lid pump action part plus the spritzer part on this. Take this, fill that up, put this on. You want to put this on so that it's pretty snug. Not clamped on so tight you can't get it off, but pretty snug. And then you're going to take this, and yes, it may take a little while to build up that pressure as we're going here, okay? But you'll feel it start to build up. It does seem that canola oil seems to work very well in there, but should spray somewhat like that. A fairly good mist. If it's spitting too much, it may need to have more pressure built up in there. But those are some tips for you. When you're done, make sure that you release the pressure, and you'll hear a little poof of air. That way you don't get it gumming up inside and getting yucky. You may need to wipe down the bottle when you're done because of the pressure. The spray may have a little bit more oil residue on the outside of the bottle, but that's it. So enjoy your spritzer. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me.